So, so in this video, I'm going to cover the Google Business Profile repair, or basically fixing your Google Business Profile after it's been suspended. I'm going to cover how I do it and why I take certain steps, and also some things you guys need to be aware of what happens to your Google Business Profile after it's been suspended. So first thing what I'm going to start off with is, this is important for you guys to understand. If right now your Google Business Profile is suspended, or let's say it's been suspended for the past few weeks already, or a few months, it's been a few months, so basically it's not up, you're not getting reviews from it, and it's not, you're not ranking with your Google Business Profile. If that's the case for you, you getting it back appealed and getting it back up and running is not going to automatically generate you leads. It doesn't work that way, especially when you come back from a suspension, unless you have a website that was well ranked already and getting leads, and still getting leads while your Google profile was suspended. That's a different story. Most likely your profile was also well ranked, so when it comes back, it's easier for you to get that traffic back. It may not happen right away though. That's something to keep in mind. Your reviews are not going to be back automatically. Maybe some of them will be gone. Also, after you come back from a Google Business Profile suspension, you definitely want to be cautious of what you do from here on after, because you've already been flagged. You've already been suspended. It's like you've already been to jail. It's most likely that, if you get stopped again, you might have another problem, even if you're not doing anything. It works very similar to Google Business Profile. It's not something you guys should be afraid of, but you need to have that understanding so you don't create false expectations in your mind about what will happen when you get it fixed. The reason I'm making this video is because there's plenty of people like myself that's offering to fix this as a service, but they don't tell you any of this, and they don't do anything about it. So that comes to my next point. What I do when I help someone fix their Google Business Profile, I do more than that. I also get their website access. I get access maybe to a Facebook page, something else they have. If they don't, I create that for them, because I know the appeal can take a while to hear back from Google. That's out of my hands. I can do the appeal like anybody else can, but it's out of my hands at that point. And also, if you have a suspended profile, it's not doing anything for you. So I work on properties that you have active that have the potential of getting you some leads. It may be that that also will take time, but in the meantime, I optimize it so you're better off with most of your digital assets that you're depending on to get leads than you were before. So that's one step I take that I would say makes me different from other people. I don't just fix your profile. I also work on the website, because I know the reason you even want that back is to get customers. You want customers to see your reviews, you want customers to leave you reviews, and you want customers to find you. So if you want customers to find you, you can't just depend on your Google Business Profile. No matter how good it looks, how many reviews you have, you got to use other stuff, because if that goes down, you pretty much lose all your visibility. So hopefully this video was helpful, and just kind of gave you an overview of how I personally do this. It doesn't mean that how I do it is the right way, or it's wrong, or how other people are doing it is wrong. That's just how I do it. I've seen this from experience of working with people that have a broken Google Business Profile. Most of the times they have a broken website, they have a broken online presence. So just fixing the profile alone is not going to solve the issue. You need a complete overhaul. And that's why I do things the way I do. So hopefully this was helpful. If you guys have any questions about Google Business Profiles, let me know. I'll be happy to answer them as far as my knowledge goes. And again, if you have a suspended profile right now and you've tried to appeal it, you're currently not, that asset is currently not working for you. Focus your attention on where the leads are coming from while you're fixing that in the background. Don't stress out about the stuff that's not doing anything, and most likely wasn't doing anything for you before. So focus on where you're getting leads from, so you keep getting customers in, and when you get it approved, you have plenty of people to leave your review.